I will take it up with the Union Defence Minister as well and other ministries. Advertisement baile newspaperanचे चड येता. That means they want people from other places to apply. It is a big racket, I may say so, in Goa shipyard. They don't employ local people. We have to, our people want to agitate, and the day will not be far, they will not hesitate to come out in large numbers and stop everything. Because that is what they are telling me. I am holding them. I will take this issue up with the Honorable Chief Minister. I have already told him once, but I will take it up very strongly. Tell him to take it up with the Union Defence Minister. Because Goa shipyard is employing people. Where are the locals being employed? Our own Prime Minister, be vocal for local, our own Honorable Prime Minister says. And when we are in the government, that sometimes we are not able to see the locals being employed in a central government organization is a very sad thing to happen. I want the officials of Goa shipyard to note, please don't try the patience of Goans. Tomorrow they will feel that it is necessary to have agitation or come on the road. Don't bring this stage. Let there be a healthy mix. If you have highly qualified or technical people coming from outside, we have nothing to say. Routine jobs, I can show you some people who have been employed, don't know to even speak English or word of the procedural things to be done. But suddenly they find employment and afterwards they are trained in Goa shipyard. This has happened before also. I have been constantly raising this issue. I am flagging this issue because I am very happy as a minister of this government that Goa Shipyard Limited is not employing Goans. I am making an open statement.